Hello students, today I am going to discuss about methods of expressing the concentration of solution and its unit. So today's topic
is methods of expressing the concentration of solution. We know solution is a binary mixture. Solution is equals to, we can say, solute plus solvent. This is basically homogeneous mixture of solute and solvent. In my previous class I discussed it. Okay, so the term concentration means the amount of dissolved solute in a given amount of solution. Again I am telling, the term concentration means the amount of dissolved solute in a given amount of solution, or you can say in a given amount of solvent in a solution. So now we can express the concentration of solution by in different way. Number one, percentage concentration method. Number two, molarity. Number three, molality. Number four, normality. Number five, gram per liter. You can say gram liter inverse. Number six, parts per million. You can say it is ppm. Okay, and another one is 7, formality. Okay, so today in my today's class I'm going to discuss about this percentage concentration. So this is basically number of parts of solute dissolved in 100 parts of solution. Okay, so basically the percent concentration of a solution can be expressed in 3 different ways. Like, you can say, number one, I am explaining it. Number one, mass percentage. You can say W per W. Number two is volume percentage. You can express by volume per volume. Number three, mass volume percent. Mass volume percentage. Okay, or you can say mass volume percentage or percent. You can express it by W per V. Okay, so at first, mass percent. Number one, mass percentage. Actually, this is the mass of solute in gram by mass of solution in gram into 100. So mass of solute present in basically 100 gram solution. Mass of solute in gram, mass of solution in gram into 100. I am explaining it. Sorry. A solution, say this is sugar solution. This is sugar solution. Sugar solution. Say this is 100 gram sugar solution, 100 gram solution. And say the amount of sugar is 10 gram. 10 gram sugar is present in this solution. Okay. So you can calculate the mass percentage. Just put the value here. 10 gram sugar, 10 by 100 into 100. So it will be 10%. So this is basically, this is W per W. Previously I have discussed it. Okay. So this is 10% sugar in this solution. And you can say the amount of solvent in this solution will be 100 minus 10% will be 90%. Okay. Next one. Number 2. Number 2, volume percentage. Volume percentage. And what is this? This is basically actually V per V. That means volume of solute in ml by, I am sorry, this is volume. This is volume. And volume of solution in also ml into 100. Now I am giving an example. Say this is 100 ml solution, and this is also sugar solution, say, and here 10 ml sugar in this solution. So it will be, if I put the value here, then it will be 10 by 100 into 100%. So the cancellation, it will be 10%. So 10% sugar in this solution. Okay. So solvent will be, the amount of solvent in this solution will be 100 minus 10%, and it will be 90%. And again, number 3. This is mass by volume. Mass by volume percentage. Okay. Basically W per V, and it will be mass of solute in gram by volume of solution in ml into 100. Similarly, in this case, say in a sugar solution, say 100 ml sugar solution. Okay, 100 ml solution, sugar solution, and say it is 10 gram sugar in this solution. Okay, is present in this solution. So put the value here. So it will be 10 gram sugar by 100 ml, gram, ml. You have to remember it, percent, and it will be 10%. So in this case, the percentage of sugar in the solution, it will be 10%. Okay, and the amount of solvent in the solution will be 100 minus 10%. It will be 90%. Okay, the students, these are basically percentage concentration. Okay, so these are 3 types. mass percentage, volume percentage, and mass by volume percentage. Okay, so in my next class I will discuss this molarity, molality, normality, gram per liter, parts per million, formality. Okay, so students, I think you have understood this, and that's all for today. Okay, and regarding this video, if you have some queries, doubts, problems, then send your problems to my comment box. I will solve it in my next class. That's all. Thank you.